Do you ever feel sluggish in the morning or struggle to maintain your energy throughout the day? What if I told you that a few simple daily habits could transform your energy levels and improve your overall health without drastic changes? Imagine waking up feeling more refreshed, staying alert at work, and finishing your day with energy left to spare. These small adjustments are scientifically proven to have a bigger impact than you might expect. In this video, we shall dive into 8 habits that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can significantly boost both your physical vitality and mental clarity. Stick around to discover how these habits can revolutionize the way you feel every single day. 1. Hydrate immediately after waking up. We often reach for coffee first thing in the morning, but did you know that hydration is actually a game changer when you wake up? After 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, and drinking 16 to 20 ounces of water is the perfect way to kickstart your metabolism. It helps flush out toxins, increases energy, and even improves cognitive function, so you're ready to take on the day. No caffeine needed. Water also helps to rehydrate your organs, keeping your skin, muscles, and joints feeling fresh. A great tip is to keep a water bottle by your bed, so it's the first thing you grab when you wake up. Trust me, it sets the tone for a more energetic day. The more consistent you are with this habit, the more noticeable the boost in energy you'll feel, and your body will thank you for it. 2. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. We often underestimate the power of sleep, but it's your body's natural repair mechanism. When you sleep, your body restores and regenerates, keeping you healthy and energized. It's not just about the hours, but about consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every single day, including weekends, helps regulate your circadian rhythm, so you sleep deeper and wake up feeling refreshed. The benefits of good sleep are vast. Improved mood, better focus, and stronger immunity. Try keeping your bedroom cool and dark. This simple change can make a huge difference in the quality of your rest. Make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible, and your body will reward you with the energy you need for the day ahead. Sleep is an investment in your health, so prioritize it and enjoy the lasting benefits. 3. Practice digital sunset. We've all been guilty of scrolling through our phones before bed, but did you know that screen time before sleep disrupts your natural sleep cycle? The blue light from devices interferes with melatonin production, making it harder for your brain to wind down. By turning off your devices at least an hour before bedtime, you allow your body to naturally transition into a state of relaxation. It's a simple yet powerful shift that can lead to better sleep quality. Try replacing screen time with more calming activities like reading a physical book, journaling, or simply meditating. These activities not only help you de-stress, but also prepare your mind for a restful night. Incorporating this habit consistently will have a noticeable effect on how well you sleep, and you'll start waking up feeling more refreshed and alert. 4. Move daily, even if it's just 10 minutes. You don't need to hit the gym for hours to feel the benefits of movement. In fact, just 10 to 30 minutes of moderate activity, like a brisk walk, yoga, or even dancing around your living room, is enough to boost your energy levels and elevate your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It's a fun, energizing way to wake up your body and mind. And the best part? You don't need to set aside hours for it. If time is tight, break it up into 3 10-minute sessions throughout the day. Even a little exercise adds up. And remember, it's not about intensity, but consistency. Whether it's stretching in the morning or taking a short walk after lunch, fitting in movement is a simple way to keep your energy up all day long. Plus, moving regularly keeps your muscles and joints healthy and improves your overall vitality. 5. Eat a balanced plate of colors. When it comes to fueling your body, variety is key. Eating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures that you're getting a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals that support your energy levels. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining focus and keeping your body running smoothly. Try focusing on nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats for 80% of your meals, and allow yourself some flexibility the other 20% of the time. Including a variety of foods not only supports your energy, but also keeps your meals exciting and flavorful. Make sure to include protein in your breakfast. It'll stabilize your blood sugar and prevent those dreaded midday energy crashes. A well-balanced diet will keep you fueled, balanced, and feeling strong throughout your day. 6. Spend time in nature. Do you often feel stressed, overwhelmed, or mentally drained? Spending time in nature could be exactly what you need to reset. Even just 20 minutes outdoors can have a profound effect on your mood and overall well-being. Nature has a way of calming the mind, and it's not just about the beautiful views, it's scientifically backed. Being outside helps reduce cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, while boosting your vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, immunity, and even mood regulation. The benefits go beyond just physical health. Natural sunlight is an incredible mood booster. It helps regulate your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and fall asleep at night without struggle. Whether it's a quick walk in the park, a stroll down your street, or simply sitting outside in your backyard with a cup of tea, those few moments in nature allow you to connect with the present moment. What's amazing is that spending time outdoors also encourages mindfulness. It's a natural reminder to pause, breathe, and focus on the world around you, instead of getting lost in your to-do list. Try to make it a daily habit to spend a few minutes outside, and you'll be amazed at how much better you'll feel, both physically and mentally. 7. Practice mindfulness or gratitude. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. And taking just 5 to 10 minutes a day to practice mindfulness or gratitude can truly transform your mindset. It's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts or stress, but dedicating time each day to focus on the positives helps break that cycle. Simple activities like deep breathing, meditation, or even writing down 3 things you're grateful for can help shift your focus away from stress and negativity. This small habit rewires your brain to focus on what's going well in your life. Instead of dwelling on challenges, you'll begin to notice and appreciate the good moments that often go unnoticed. Not only does this boost your mental clarity, but it also improves your overall well-being. The more you practice gratitude, the more natural it becomes to see the positives in everyday situations. This change in perspective can lift your mood, improve your energy, and help you handle stress more effectively. 8. Use micro breaks for long sitting. We live in a world where sitting for long hours has become the norm. But did you know that prolonged sitting is linked to a higher risk of heart disease and muscle degeneration? To combat this, take micro breaks throughout the day. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce eye strain, and make sure to get up and stretch for a minute or two every hour. This will improve circulation, boost brain alertness, and prevent that sluggish feeling that comes from sitting too long. Incorporating movement into your day is easier than you think. Even standing for a few minutes or stretching can make a big difference in your energy levels. By breaking up long sitting periods, you keep your body and mind sharp throughout the day. So there you have it. 8 daily habits that are simple, actionable, and incredibly effective at boosting both your health and energy. The beauty of these habits is that they don't require drastic changes. Just small, consistent steps that can lead to lasting improvements in your physical and mental well-being. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which habit are you excited to start today? Let's take small steps toward a healthier, more energized life together.